Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
Their lifespan is 4 to 6 weeks, and they will start to die off in late June into July. The nymphs, however, will be hibernating and maturing for the next 17 years. We'll see brood X again in 2038. Want more cicada content?
Make your mark, take our lead.
They're coming. Millions of cicadas likely to emerge in central Indiana within the week. They're coming. And soon, millions of brood X cicadas are likely to begin emerging across central Indiana within the week, according to experts.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.